Today we're gonna talk about a serious matter. Serious. I'm smiling. Emily, well, if it's serious, why are you smiling? Yeah, it's serious, but I'm smiling and I'm still in my nightwear. Hygiene care. Hygiene care. Hygiene care. Taking care of our hygiene. I'm not going for any definition. Emily, what is hygiene care? Hygiene care is taking care of our self. Cleanliness. Why you want to talk about this, Emily? I think sometimes and many times people don't feel like taking a shower because it's cold today. It's cold. And when we wake up in the morning, and I'm saying we, because I felt it, and we feel that coldness coming from under the cover, we said, I'm not taking a shower today. I brush my teeth. And how do we brush our teeth? No. It is very important to take time to care for our hygiene. A good toothbrush to begin with. And I believe that people should change their toothbrushes according to the toothbrush you have, if not every month, but maybe every 2 months or 3 months. Some people use a toothbrush when it gets flat. The brushes are flat, it cannot do any work anymore. And I know times can be tough and we can want to economize, but there are some things we just have to spend money on. So a good toothbrush with the bristles intact. And sometimes more than one is even better, because soft doesn't always go like, but sometimes we need to use the soft because the firm makes our gum tender. People should brush their teeth more than once a day. In the morning, when you wake up, in the night before you go to bed. But what about during the day? Especially when we eat certain foods. One time someone offered me a piece of gum and I asked her, I said, does my breath smell? And she said to me, well, I brought the gum for you. She said that. I felt a certain way. Though thankful, I felt a certain way. Because the relationship the person and I had, not really a friend, I thought it could have been done differently. But when I brought it up another time, she said she never said that. I was lying. And I wasn't lying. I was telling the truth. Sometimes our bad breath is not always because we don't take care of our oral hygiene. Sometimes we can have gum disease. Sometimes we can have sinus. But sometimes we just don't do a good job. And even if we brush our teeth, we should scrub our tongue. We should gargle, because we have little pockets in the back of these two things here, which called tonsils. Saliva build up, and then if you don't clean it out, it forms like a little stone, but you can mash it. And if you mash it and you do that, you will realize a foul smell. It's important to gargle when we finish eating, important to gargle when we brush our teeth, important to gargle anytime we feel it's necessary. Now, would I want somebody to tell me my breath smell? If somebody came to me and said, your breath is a little hot, I would say, really? Oh, thank you for telling me. Because my toothbrush, my work toothbrush, I brought it home, but this is my work toothbrush. Okay, my traveling toothbrush, this is it. I'm gonna change it off pretty soon. Now, I don't like toothpaste because I have my own thought about toothpaste. If toothpaste was to be really effective, dentists wouldn't make money. So I don't have confidence in toothpaste. I use it sometimes, but I like good old salt. Good old salt. Where is it? Here. Here. Salt. Put some in your hand, like that. Wet your toothbrush, dip, and scrub. I'm gonna put this in my washcloth because I cannot put it back. So I'm going into the shower. I can use this to scrub. Good old stuff. Everyone should have this in his or her household. I know you have some in your refrigerator. That's not all that is good for. We use it to bake. And also, we can use this for under here, and we can use that with this.